fellow vegans, it's Paul from Vegans Alive. Today, instead of making my usual breakfast burrito, I'm going to take my tofu scramble and kick it into some vegan tacos for breakfast. And it's going to be good. So let's go ahead and hop in the kitchen and put this thing together. Okay, we got sweet potato, onions, zucchini. Now we're putting on some avocado. I even piled on some tofu with curry. And now we're gonna put on some pepper. There is the pepper grinder. Fresh pepper. And a little dab of cilantro, because that makes everything better. And we are looking good. But this is America, and I like ketchup. Oh yeah. And I like hot sauce, so let's put some sriracha on there. All right, folks, this is what it's looking like. Looks so good, smells great. Let's go ahead and dig in. Oh yeah. That is good. Perfect amount of spice. Sweet potato, avocado, everything works great. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe when you can. And I'm going to finish my breakfast. Have a good day.